Hi, today we're at 45 Laurel Drive. That's in Sapphire, North Carolina. It's a nice quiet little area here. Highway 64 is just up the street here, so it's got easy access down here. It's nice and quick, nice and convenient. That's what we like about it. It's about 30 minutes from Brevard and 25 minutes to Cashiers and 40 minutes to Highlands. So it's all essential to all the hiking and waterfalls in the area. My wife is a great gardener here. This porch is really awesome. We've got a picnic table. We also have a covered porch here. It's kind of, we call it a grotto area, but it's got a couple chase lounges here. And it's easy to nap here and enjoy the North Carolina cool. It's quite lovely. Let's go in and take a look. Alrighty. So we got two recliners here, a couple rockers. This is a gas stove here, a big screen TV. The kitchen is quite lovely. It's got a nice little table, some black fridge and a black stove. It's got everything that you really need. Out in the back is a beautiful backyard as well. Coffee maker. Let's go in and check out the bedroom. It's a nice big king size bed. Got a couple racks here, hangers. Always convenient. Got a big double closet. Ready to go. Okay. Bathroom. Okay, really nice. Lots of kitchen counter space, table, living room, cozy living room, bedroom, everything you need. Then we have the picnic table, beautiful flowers, and the deck, chairs, and there you have it. At 45 Laurel Drive. Hope to see you soon.